That's a lot of ice for an ice machine. Ice machine can't make ice when it's covered in ice. Gotta melt all the ice before I can do anything else. So this one's cool. It has these little plugs on the top of the spray tubes, but man, shit, it's nasty, man. This one is the KM520 MRJ. Okay, so I defrosted it, and it's running its second cycle now. It went into harvest a little bit ago, and it was really small pieces of ice, but the second cycle seems to be longer, and I kind of see that most of the time whenever I drain the reservoir out and fill it back up from empty, that the initial fill time doesn't seem to be long enough to get the water level up to where it really should be for a good cycle. So make sure you're running it 2 cycles before you determine if it's going into harvest prematurely. Yeah, so there's a big difference. This cycle is going on 27 minutes already, which is more normal than the first cycle, which terminated freeze at 15 and a half minutes. They're very small cubes. So it's very important that if you start a cycle from an empty reservoir, that it needs to have more water in it, or you need to wait until at least the second freeze cycle. You can see down there how small my tubes are from the last one. Okay, so now it's in harvest. I manually put it in harvest. I did that on purpose, so I want to see how the harvest is. Notice how slow the water is coming right now. This is water valve energized during harvest as a backup to help ice come off. This is slow. It's important, and we'll come back to this in a minute. I changed the dip switch setting from, I changed the dip switches number 1 and 2 from both of them off to both of them on. That's going to make my harvest cycle 180 seconds, I believe. Also pay attention to how slow the ice is coming out compared to what you're going to see later. This is pretty bad, huh? Dude, I turned the water on one time and this is what happened to the screen. Okay, well, I didn't really get to record too much, but so what ended up happening was it froze up, and well, we got a water valve that was plugged, okay, but also the filters, the water filters that are down there, they were in bad shape. They were actually letting particles come up here and plug this inlet water valve. So I'm in like Louisiana, I mean, it's down in Louisiana by Texas, And so there's nowhere to get good filters around here. Like nowhere that I could find. I think it sucks over here. I like Houston better.